Fine ceramics are a set of highly functional materials that are the building blocks of our society, for today and for the future. Hardness, resistance to high temperatures, and electrical insulation are some of the advantageous characteristics of fine ceramics. Kyocera has been a proud pioneer in the research and development of these materials. Not only are fine ceramics indispensable materials for smartphones and automobile components, but they are also used in extreme environments such as a seismograph in deep sea or an asteroid probe. Through Kyocera's excellent R&D and technological capabilities, we have provided the world with a number of original products using more than 200 different types of fine ceramics, supporting the development of our society. Going forward, we aim to help enhance communications infrastructure, support IoT, and promote the use of electric vehicles. With additional technological advancements, our possibilities are endless. Kyocera.